In 68, Japan underwent a seismic shift known as the Meiji Restoration, marking the end of over 2 centuries of Tokugawa shogunate rule. This era transformed Japan from a feudal society into an emerging world power. The young Emperor Meiji was restored to power, symbolizing modernization and westernization efforts that would reshape the nation. Rapid industrialization followed, with new railways and telegraph lines connecting cities, while education reforms helped cultivate a literate populace. Cultural exchanges enriched Japanese society as Western ideas mingled with traditional values. However, this transformation wasn't without strife. It led to social upheaval and resistance from samurai loyalists clinging to their past glory. Ultimately, the Meiji Restoration laid the groundwork for Japan's rise in global affairs and continues to influence its identity today.